Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel of ServerAvatar. Today we are going to see how easy it is to host your WordPress website on a Ubuntu server using a ServerAvatar. If manual server configurations sounds intimidating or time consuming, you are going to love this. ServerAvatar lets you deploy your WordPress site in literally just one click. So let's jump right in. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what ServerAvatar is. It's a powerful and a user-friendly server management tool built specially for managing a cloud servers. It simplifies a complex server setups and management tasks and makes it super easy to run your website efficiently on platforms like DigitalOcean, Vultr, AWS and many more. Let's get started. First, head over to serveravatar.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on a Get Started and quickly create one. If you are an existing user, just log in. Right after login, you will see a simple and elegant dashboards where you can easily manage your servers and apps. Now let's add a new VPS. Click on Connect the Servers. ServerAvatar allows a quick integration with many popular VPS providers like DigitalOcean, Amazon Lightsail, Vultr, Linode, Hedgehog. Here you have options for create an account and link a account. In this example, I am gonna use a DigitalOcean server. Here you have the options for the link your account and create an account. I already linked my account, so I'm gonna use that. Here, give the server name. I'm gonna give it as a ServerAvatar WordPress tutorial. Then you can see the options for clean up a server. Choosing the first options tells a ServerAvatar it's okay to remove any conflicting software packages it finds on a server. Choose the second options only when you already have an important software or custom configurations running on a server that you don't want to disturb. Now pick an operating system. I'm gonna select a Ubuntu 24.04. Then select a tech stack. ServerAvatar supports various popular server stacks including LAMP, LOMP. For WordPress specifically, I strongly recommend using a Open Lightspeed, that is a LOMP stack, due to its performance and easy of use and extremely powerful built-in caching capabilities. Next, let's select a database as a MySQL. You also have the options for MariaDB. Then select a SSH key. I'm gonna generate a new SSH key. Then if your application requires a Node.js, then you can click on Install a Node.js toggle button. Then let's select a server location. I'm gonna select Bangalore 1. Then select a server instance size. I'm gonna select a server instance with a CPU core as 1, memory of 1024 MB, storage as a 25 GB and bandwidth of 1000 GB. Then I'm gonna click on select. Then click on connect now. So it will take around 5 to 15 minutes to set up a server. Here our server has been successfully connected with a ServerAvatar panel. Now let's host a WordPress application. So go to the application, click on create an application. Here give a name of application as a WordPress easy hosting. Then you have options for the primary domain and a test domain. If you want to have your own domain, then select a primary domain. Otherwise select a test domain, which is the temporary domain. I am gonna give a test domain as a easy hosting. Then select a method, click on a one click method. Then here you can see the options for a WordPress. Click on a WordPress and then fill up the necessary details like title as a WordPress tutorial, then site language as a English UK, time zone as a Asia Kolkata, username as a ServerAvatar, then email as a serveravatar@serveravatar.com, then select password. I will generate a new password. Database as a database server as a current server, database name as a WordPress tutorial. And I am gonna if you want to use a database prefix, then you can select enter the database prefix. Then here you have the options for install a Lightspeed Cache plugin. If you want to install a plugins for the Lightspeed, then you can select install a Lightspeed Cache plugin. Then here you have the system users options. You can create a new users or choose from existing. I am gonna select a create a new users. Username and the passwords are by default, and then I am gonna select a PHP version. I will keep it as a PHP 8.2 and leave a custom web root as a empty. Then click on create a application. Here it has been started configuring a application. Just let's wait for a few minutes. Yes, now it has been successfully installed on a server. Now you can click on a domain name here. Once you will click, yes, we have successfully deployed a WordPress website without touching a single command line. So yes, we have successfully deployed or host WordPress without even touching a command line. Now there is a one tip from a ServerAvatar. If you want to install a SSL certificate, you can just simply go to the SSL certificate option application, and here you have the options for the automatic installation. This is the one-click solutions which allows you to install a SSL certificate for your website. Here click on install automatic SSL. It will take a few seconds to install a SSL certificate on your server. Yes, here it has been successfully installed. Here you have options for the force HTTP to HTTPS, which I am gonna allow or force to transfer from HTTP to HTTPS. So yes, that's how it is to host a WordPress by using a ServerAvatar. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and press on a bell icon of our ServerAvatar YouTube channel.